This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the device and SIMs. Do this now. Power off, remove any case, then use the SIM tool to eject the tray. Place a nano SIM in slot A and the second in slot B with contacts down. Avoid forcing the tray. Once done, reinsert carefully and boot the phone. You should see both SIM indicators in the status bar. If not, make sure the tray sits flush and the cards are fully seated before continuing. Now you configure how each SIM behaves so calls and data go where you expect. Open Settings, go to SIM cards and mobile networks, and assign default SIMs for mobile data, calls, and messages. This prevents accidental charges. Enable VoLTE LTE on the SIM that supports it to improve call quality. If mobile internet won't connect, tap the SIM's access point names and select or add the correct APN. Finish by verifying everything works and knowing how to recover if not. Make a call and send an SMS from each SIM to confirm voice and messaging. Then use the SIM Manager or Quick Settings to switch mobile data on the fly. If a SIM shows no signal or no data, restart the phone, reseat the tray, and if needed, reset network settings. As a key troubleshooting tip, clear or recreate the APN for the affected SIM before contacting your carrier. This resolves most data problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.